Climate change and its global impact. We are the first generation to feel the effect of climate change and the last generation who can do something about it. Barack Obama. In the 21st century, climate change has emerged as one of the most formidable challenges facing humanity. It is no longer a distant possibility but a harsh reality, manifesting in rising global temperatures, extreme weather events, melting glaciers, and shifting ecosystems. This global phenomenon, largely driven by anthropogenic activities, transcends national borders and socio-economic strata, threatening the ecological balance and socio-political stability across the planet. Understanding climate change. Climate change refers to long-term alterations in temperature, precipitation, wind patterns, and other elements of the Earth's climate system. While the Earth has experienced natural climate variability over millennia, the current pace and intensity of change are largely attributed to human-induced greenhouse gas emissions, especially carbon dioxide, methane, and nitrous oxide, primarily from the burning of fossil fuels, deforestation, and industrial processes. Global manifestations of climate change. 1. Rising temperatures and heat waves. The global average temperature has already increased by more than 1.1 degrees Celsius since pre-industrial times. This has led to frequent and intense heat waves, particularly affecting countries in Africa, South Asia, and Europe, leading to heat-related deaths and loss of productivity. 2. Melting glaciers and rising sea levels. Glaciers in the Himalayas, Alps, and polar regions are retreating rapidly. The resultant rise in sea levels threatens low-lying nations like Maldives, Bangladesh, and island territories in the Pacific, displacing millions and endangering coastal biodiversity. 3. Extreme weather events. The increasing incidence of floods, droughts, hurricanes, and wildfires is closely linked to climate change. For instance, wildfires in Australia and California, devastating floods in Pakistan, and prolonged droughts in sub-Saharan Africa highlight the severity of climate-related disasters. 4. Ocean acidification and biodiversity loss. The absorption of CO by oceans leads to acidification, endangering marine life such as corals, shellfish, and plankton. On land, shifting temperatures disrupt migration, breeding, and survival of species, accelerating extinction rates. Socio-economic and geopolitical impacts. 1. Agriculture and food security. Unpredictable rainfall and temperature changes reduce crop yields, endangering food security, particularly in agrarian economies. Sub-Saharan Africa and South Asia are among the worst affected, with smallholder farmers facing the brunt. 2. Health crisis. Climate change exacerbates health risks by increasing vector-borne diseases like malaria and dengue, intensifying malnutrition due to food insecurity, and aggravating respiratory diseases through air pollution. 3. Climate refugees and conflicts. Environmental degradation and water scarcity are triggering large-scale displacements, giving rise to climate refugees. This has the potential to spark regional conflicts, strain resources, and test the resilience of governance structures. 4. Economic costs. The World Bank estimates that climate change could push over 100 million people into poverty by 2030. Infrastructure damage due to disasters and adaptation costs burden both developing and developed economies. Global response mechanisms. 1. United Nations Framework Convention on Climate Change. Since its inception in 1992, the UNFCCC has been instrumental in global negotiations, leading to landmark agreements like the Kyoto Protocol and the Paris Agreement, which aims to limit global warming to well below 2 degrees Celsius. 2. Sustainable Development Goals. SDG 13 calls for urgent action to combat climate change and its impacts, fostering national policies, international cooperation, and climate-resilient infrastructure. 3. Green Climate Fund. Established to support climate mitigation and adaptation efforts in developing countries, although concerns over equitable disbursal and sufficiency of funds remain. 4. Technological innovations and green economy. Clean energy, carbon capture technologies, electric mobility, and circular economy models are gaining momentum as countries transition towards low-carbon development paths. India's efforts and challenges. India, while being the third largest emitter in absolute terms, has one of the lowest per capita emissions. It has taken commendable steps including National Action Plan on Climate Change with missions on solar energy, energy efficiency, and sustainable agriculture. Commitment to achieve 500 gigawatts of non-fossil fuel energy by 2030 under the updated nationally determined contributions. Launch of the International Solar Alliance promoting solar energy in tropical countries. However, challenges such as dependence on coal, growing energy needs, urban expansion, and financing constraints persist. The road ahead. Global solidarity and local action. Addressing climate change requires a multi-pronged and multi-level approach. And climate justice. Developed countries must fulfill their historical responsibility and financial commitments to assist vulnerable nations. Change and education. Climate literacy, sustainable lifestyles, and consumer awareness are key to long-term transformation. And research. Investment in green R&D, nature-based solutions, and resilient infrastructure is critical. Governance. Localized climate action plans, disaster preparedness, and environmental regulations must be enforced with urgency. Conclusion. Climate change is not just an environmental issue, it is an existential crisis, a development concern, and a moral imperative. It demands not just technological fixes but a reimagining of our relationship with nature. As Mahatma Gandhi said, the world has enough for everyone's needs, but not everyone's greed. In a deeply interconnected world, climate action must become the cornerstone of global cooperation, national planning, and individual responsibility.